For what it's worth, Kidderminster Harriers have lost only one of their last 13 matches in all competitions. That's a decent ball towards Ashley Hemmings, who goes down, appeals for a penalty. Morgan Smith then has a shot saved by Raphael. And that has been the best chance of the game so far for the sixth-tier side. Tremendous ball over the top by Bayrami. Didn't think it was a penalty as Hemmings went down. Might even been a suggestion of handball there. Fine save from Raphael to deny Amari Morgan Smith. Good spell this for the home side as Martin finds Amari Sterling, who specialises in the spectacular and goes for goal. And what a save that was by Raphael. Amari Sterling with a swerving, dipping shot, which the Brazilian goalkeeper tipped away quite spectacularly. That is the chance of the game so far. And it falls to Kidderminster Harriers. Walter's pass has found Dejan Tete. We are now in the final minute of normal time at the end of the first half, as Deli Bashiro finds Puskás, who scores. The flag stays down and Reading lead. A first goal of the campaign for George Puskás. Now, was he offside there? It's very, very tight. The decision goes Reading's way, and they sneak ahead at the end of this first half. Kidderminster Harriers will be devastated to have conceded so late. George Puskás with a terrific finish as Reading hit the front. Penny will hurl it forward for Harriers. Neat turn by Morgan Smith. He's found the captain Austin, who's done well here. It's still Sam Austin. And he really had to work hard to create a chance for himself there. Completely outnumbered, the Harriers skipper. He very nearly caught Reading out. At the moment, there's only one side in this, and that is the team from the sixth tier. Cameron. Room for Hemmings here to turn. And select a pass to Penny. Deep cross from him. Here is Sam Austin. Oh, his shot has found a way through. Kidderminster Harriers are level, thanks to their captain. It's a terrible mistake by Raphael in goal. He has to do better there, the Reading goalkeeper. But Kidderminster won't care. They are back level in this third round clash. And now will believe that they can go on and win it. Sam Austin's goal levelling things up. Hemmings' delivery. Oh, and it's gone in, I think. Yes! Kidderminster Harriers have scored a second, and it's Amari Morgan Smith that celebrates the goal. Reading claim that goalkeeper Raphael was fouled. They may have had a case, but perhaps the Reading goalkeeper just has to be stronger. No doubt about the goal scorer. It's Amari Morgan Smith who got the touch on it. It's perhaps the ugliest goal you'll see all weekend, but it could be an absolutely huge one for Harriers. The final whistle goes, and Kidderminster Harriers have done it. They have defeated the side 79 places above them in the Football League ladder. Sixth tier Kidderminster Harriers 2, Reading of the Championship 1. What a result.